So, Arsenal 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Hold that, motherfuckers. Man City 1. You can't see me. You can't see me. Stay humble, eh? Stay humble, eh? Yeah, 5 different goal scorers, Matty. That was cigars out, the belt out. Matt's doing spins on the living room floor. We're playing Lunes. I got 5 on it. The belt was out. That was an ass whooping. Yeah, make sure you sub to the Southern Gooner. Matty, shout out what you got going on tomorrow before we go and do your fan cam. Where you at tomorrow? Tomorrow afternoon?
Tomorrow, all of you tune into the Premier League Fan Zone. I will be on tomorrow, 2:30 UK time. We're going to be in the building. We're going to be talking about this ass whooping we laid on City today.
And the deadline day.
And the deadline day.
And the title race and the potential overturn of the game on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Because now we're a little bit more confident. Mate, we did the watch along. Bro, we sat there. As soon as you rocked up, bang, goal. 1 minute, 38 seconds, whatever it was. Should have had a second goal. However, whatever. And then all of a sudden, our goalkeeper, Spider-Man, he's like, he's saving everything, bro. And then they get their goal back. After that, we're like, that's been coming, isn't it?
You know what the most impressive save was to me was the one he had to get down low.
The Savio one.
With the hard hand.
Yeah, the deflection. Yeah.
That was the one. That was the one I said, oh, he's on it today. Because that's hard to get down and do. And to be able to keep it out, deflect it away from oncoming traffic. Man, what a game today, Lee. What a game.
Mate, I know you're going to watch that back, because I do that as well. We watch it back. Yeah, and when we're invested in it with the emotion and all of that, when you watch it back knowing the result, it's a lot of it's more of an easier watch, isn't it? It's like, I know we won. Yeah, so you're like all the emotions out of it. Yeah, when we watch that back, we'll spot things that we didn't spot while we were live. Yeah, bro, I swear to God, to a man today, they were quality. Apart from that, the guy out front. Fair play, he got a goal. Oh, Anthony's just come on for Betis, by the way. Oh, sorry, I'm lying. He's just coming off. But sorry, carry on. Sorry, mate.
Something happened today, Lee. Something that I've been praying and hoping that would happen with this team since this manager's been here. They did something today that they have not done, but they did it today. They rose above the manager. That's the first step in moving forward as a team. Now, what do you mean by rose above the manager? Well, we were up 1-0. Second half came into play. We were on the back foot. They tied it up. We went forward. We took the lead on Party's outstanding goal, by the way. And they all looked at each other and said, you know what? The manager gave us one set of instructions, ripping it up, throwing it in the trash, and we're going to play the way we need to play to win this game. Because we're sick of losing to this team. We're sick of tying this team. We're sick of every time we get into a defining moment of the season, we run into this team and we cannot get over the mental hurdle. Today, they got over the mental hurdle. They bookmarked a point of reference. They now have something to look back at and say, well, hell, if we could beat City 5-1, then surely we can go over here. Surely on Wednesday night, we can find a way to put
only two behind.
Yeah, that's what they said. They said, well, surely we can figure out a way to do that. So they have a point of reference. Let's just be real. Go get the transfer business done. Go and get the reinforcements. And on Wednesday night, just leave it on the pitch. Every Arsenal fan is just hoping we go there and leave it on the pitch. Yep, I know. Newcastle plays a different style of football. I know it's going to be a little bit tougher. But mentally, this game today was what I was crying out for last year when we were right there. Because you have to slay the dragon. You have to slay that dragon.
Yep.
And they did it today. Lee, Martin Lewis Skelly, this young man here, This man is going to be a mainstay in Arsenal team for years to come. Sign him up on something long term ASAP. Ethan Inwari. Sign him up long term and give this young man gameplay. Yes, he's going to have some bad games because he's young. He's supposed to. But the talent is clearly, without a shadow of a doubt, there. Because him coming on today, he hadn't been on the pitch for 10 minutes. He comes on. He comes to drop. It was a warning sign when he came on. He dropped the head. He looked up, cross. That was almost a goal.
Yep.
Next time he said, "You know what? I'm going to do it myself. I'll do it myself. I'm not going to rely on anybody. I'll do it myself. Go." He did it Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Tuesday.
Yeah, against Girona, yeah, Wednesday, yeah, bang.
He's done it all season. He's done it all season. This is what it's about. Players coming on in games when you need something to close out a game.
Or just to go and embarrass the team.
You go embarrass. They put the knife in and turn it. And that's what they did today. The team made Man City look like complete fools today.
We made them look like
Three Stooges.
Team, yeah, the Three Stooges.
They look like the Three Stooges. That's what they look like. No, Barry and Curly.
We made them look like a team that had just got promoted.
They look like
that's what made them look.
They look like an episode of Night Court. They look like,
in fact, they actually look like a team. Yeah,
Bob Newhart. I just keep calling him out. Lee. Bob Newhart, Red Skeleton.
Yeah, bro. Pep was on the touchline looking like Wenger in his last season.
Yeah,
he was like scratching. He was like, I don't know what to do.
He's looking at Allardyce.
Hey, Allardyce to make the defense better.
I mean, he's like in the Newcastle days. They're toward the end. I mean, he had that look on his face. He's resigned to the fact there was nothing he could do. So I said during the broadcast, there's nothing he could do, nothing he could say. There's not one thing he could change about that game that I put it in, because Arsenal's players, the lads went out there, took an account for themselves, and they said, "We're taking the game to you today. We're not going to let you make the adjustments. We're not going to sit on the back foot like we did early in the year. We're not going to do like we did last season when we were in the thick of a title race and we had a chance to pull away. We're not going to do it. We're not even going to put ourselves in that situation where y'all 3 points behind us and y'all been in momentum. No, you're not doing it with us. We're going to do it. You do it on somebody else's dime, but you won't do it on ours." Lee, we have to build on this. We have to build on this. Hey, Stan Kroenke, you watching this today? Josh, y'all watching this sitting around the house because ain't no football on today. If y'all watching this, we have to build on this. I am begging every Arsenal fan that comes in here and watches this fan cam today, get on Twitter, get on social media, get on YouTube, get somewhere, and you need to be saying hashtag sign a striker, bring in reinforcements. Let's go get something done.
Mate, this guy right here sat on Sky Sports and said, "Yo, we scored 5 goals today, but we need a striker." Then Jez said on his fan cam, they asked Arteta, "Are you signing a striker tomorrow?" And he evaded the question, clever politician way of saying it. Henry, without calling him out, basically said he never answered the question, and we need a striker. Like, what we're doing. Yeah, this is the greatest striker in the club's history, saying we need a striker after a 5-1 win against Manchester City, the current champions, the 4
We need a striker. Bro, we could have put them to the. We probably could have beat them 8.
Yeah.
Today. Yeah. 8. Had we had the proper gunman up top. We've got to, they have to build on this. Moving forward, Wednesday night, same intensity. Don't come out there trying to one goal. No, hey, you're down 2 already. As Kenny would say, put your nuts on the table. Just put them on the table, Arteta, and let the guys take the shackles off. And hey, we're going for it. And then after that game, you go on your break, you go on your rest and recovery, you go to your warm weather training, you get your steak, you go play in the pool, all that stuff, and then you come back and the business needs to be picked up. Because that win today, Lee, a little bit, this is what I call a glimmer. There's a glimmer of hope there if we do what we're supposed to do.
Mate, if we go to St James's Park and get an early goal, we don't even need an early goal. If we go in 1-0 up at half time, yeah, all of a sudden the atmosphere changes in the stadium. Yeah, we come out and get a goal in the second half. Doesn't matter what point in the second half, it goes to extra time, mate. Yeah, now all of a sudden, wow, it's 2-2. Now they're on the edge. Now the fans are a little bit of tension. The players start getting a bit jittery. Now our tails are up. Now go and do them in extra time. Matt, if we get to that final, fair fucking play. Fair play. Because if we get to that final, and we said that, I've said this anyway, yeah. If we get to that final, I fancy us to beat anyone, whether it's Liverpool or Spurs. Doesn't matter who it is. It's Wembley, final, we're good at Wembley. Yeah. But we have to go out there with exactly what we did tonight. Yes, they're going to play different. Yeah, but at the same time, they've shipped, I think, 6 goals in the last 2 home games. Yeah, and we've had 1 shot on target against them.
We have a
2
chance,
years.
Lee. We have a chance based off of the game today. Like I said, you got a reference point. They should be able to go there and just have a go. Don't go there sitting on the back foot. I mean, just waiting and attacking and accepting wave after wave after wave and Isak on the count. No, go and take it to them. Right out the gate. You saw it in the first 2 minutes of the game today. Right out the gate. Bam, go. High press. Let's go. Go down. If you're going down, go down swinging. Just don't go there and lay down, man. And I'm telling you, Lee, if we beat City and if we find a way to overturn that, Lee, we might have something cooking this year. We might have something cooking because then that shows me that y'all are learning from your mistakes and that y'all are starting to grow up. And after 5 years, after 5 years, I expect to see some growing up. You saw some of it today. Ethan and Ward and Scales needs to be playing. Calafiore doesn't need to start anymore this season. That's over.
Bench.
That's over. That's done. Super sub from here out because that's your starter right there. That's just
100%. When we're 3-0 up, Skelly, you're off. Yeah, Calafiore, you can come on. Yeah, we're 2-1 up and he's worn out. Yeah, and we're holding on to a lead. Yeah, take off a striker or an attacker and bring Calafiore in. Keep Skelly on.
When's the last time you seen an Arsenal player with that kind of confidence?
Bro, his swag is crazy.
Yeah, I mean,
the way he's sitting there giving it all of that.
You'd have thought he'd been in 7 years.
That's what I said in the watch along. I was like, it's like this guy's played for Arsenal forever.
It's in his blood.
The way he's slotted in. It's great. And he's a midfielder, Matt.
It's in his blood. See, some things you can't, you just can't replicate. That it has to be in you. It's in his blood. It's in his blood, man. 5, 1.
And guess what?
3, 4, 5.
How many people have mentioned Skelly and Ethan's age? Nobody. They only mention age when you're having a stinker.
Yep.
And on that bombshell, make sure you sub to Southern Guna. Make sure you tune in. I think it's on NBC in Peacock tomorrow. The Premier League fan zone. Matt is going to be there repping.
I'm bringing the belt.
I'm going to be tuning in, man. I'm going to be tuning in. I will be there. Yeah, make sure you go straight live now. I'm going on with Northside Hooks. So Gal can't make it. He's going out partying, celebrating. Rashid's going to make it. And Jez is going to make it as well. Emergency meeting. We need to talk about how great that was. And see everyone with his comments. Our post-match press conference from our manager. I haven't seen it, so we'll go through that. And the Lakers. Yeah, Matty, we sat backstage and you showed me that Leo Messi, a basketball, was just signed for them. Yeah, maybe we can sign the Leo Messi next gen tomorrow.
If that can happen, anything can happen. Let's see.
Facts. I hope him.
Let's see what we can get tomorrow, man. Let's see.
Love. Appreciate you always, man. Enjoy your evening, man. Love. We're out.